Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world where power often overshadows elegance, the 2025 Hummer H3 emerges as a paradox, combining rugged strength with refined beauty. This American SUV is more than a vehicle. It's a testament to the art of engineering. Exterior design. Step by step, the H3's exterior unfolds. 1. A bold front grille announces its arrival with authority. 2. Sleek LED headlights frame its commanding face. 3. Robust, sculpted lines travel across its muscular body. 4. 20-inch alloy wheels and high ground clearance ensure all-terrain capability. Pros: striking road presence and durability. Cons: its size may challenge urban navigation. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, sophistication takes over. 1. Premium leather seats offer comfort on every journey. 2. A 12-inch digital dashboard integrates seamlessly with the 10-inch infotainment system. 3. Ambient lighting creates an inviting cabin aura. 4. Advanced tech features like voice command enhance usability. Pros: spacious, luxurious, and tech-rich. Cons: rear visibility could be improved. Performance. The H3 roars with a 3.5L twin-turbocharged V6, delivering 400 horsepower. 1. Smooth acceleration ensures quick overtakes. 2. Adaptive suspension conquers both highways and rugged trails. 3. A top speed of 120 miles per hour complements its off-road prowess. Pros: versatile and powerful. Cons: fuel efficiency lags behind competitors. Price and buyers. Priced at $65,000, the H3 appeals to adventurers aged 35 to 60. Competitors and driving experience. Facing rivals like the Jeep Wrangler and Toyota Land Cruiser, the H3's driving experience feels like commanding a luxury tank, bold yet precise. Summary. The 2025 Hummer H3 stands tall as a versatile beast for explorers who crave power and sophistication.